5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition and liftoff.
The Atlas V RD-180 main engine and 5 solid rocket boosters ignite to lift the rocket away from the pad. The RD-180 generates more than 860,000 pounds of thrust at liftoff. The 5 solid rocket boosters, or SRBs, each provide an additional 348,500 pounds of thrust. Shortly after liftoff, Atlas begins a pitch-over to attain the proper flight path, while minimizing the pressure the vehicle experiences during flight. The Atlas V reaches Mach 1, the speed of sound, at 34 seconds. The first 2 SRBs are jettisoned at 1 minute 47 seconds, followed a second and a half later by the remaining 3 SRBs. Approaching payload fairing jettison, the Atlas V is burning propellant at a rate of 2,000 pounds per second, traveling approximately 7,500 miles per hour, and located 73 miles in altitude and 162 miles downrange. During ascent, 2 spacecraft are protected inside the 5-meter diameter payload fairing. This 2-piece shell encapsulates both the Centaur second stage and the satellite. At approximately 3 minutes 31 seconds, the vehicle has climbed above the densest part of Earth's atmosphere, and the payload fairing is jettisoned.